Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore finance planning with QuickBooks Online, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore finance planning with QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Select the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. Under your company, click on Account and Settings. Go to the Advanced tab to ensure your accounting features are properly set. Next, click on Chart of Accounts from the left-hand menu. Review your current accounts to identify any that need updating or restoration. To add a new account, click on New in the top right corner. Select the appropriate account type and detail for your finance planning needs. Make sure to label the account clearly for easy identification. Save the new account and return to the Chart of Accounts. Now, go to the Banking section on the left menu to connect your bank accounts. Click on Link Account to sync your financial transactions effortlessly. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details and secure the connection. Once connected, review the transactions that QuickBooks categorizes automatically. Manually adjust any items that may need recategorization. Next, navigate to the Reports section from the left-hand menu. Generate a budget versus actual report for a detailed comparison. Analyze this report to identify discrepancies in financial planning. If adjustments are needed, revisit your Chart of Accounts to update any necessary entries. Utilize the budgeting feature in QuickBooks to plan your finances effectively. Set up your budget by selecting New Budget and filling in your projected amounts. Once the budget is set, monitor it regularly through the reporting features. Consider using the Projects feature to track finances for separate initiatives. This allows for a more granular view of your financial performance. Revisit your financial goals periodically to adjust plans as necessary. Lastly, ensure you routinely back up your data to avoid losing any important information. Regularly check for QuickBooks updates to take advantage of new features. Following these steps will help you successfully restore finance planning with QuickBooks Online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.